It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Applewood. Before you move forward with a home standby generator installation, make sure you ask these 3 key questions. Is this the right system for my home? A home standby generator is a permanently installed unit that connects directly to your home's electrical panel. It automatically switches on during a power outage, restoring power to all or selected circuits in your home. To operate, it requires a reliable fuel source, such as natural gas or propane. Understanding your home's energy needs and fuel availability is the first step in determining what type of generator is the right fit. Where will it be installed? Location is about more than convenience. Generators must be placed outside, away from windows and doors, and with proper ventilation to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. It's recommended to build a concrete slab for the generator to sit on for extra stability and durability, especially in regions with severe weather. Choosing the right spot ensures safe operation and long-term performance. Who's installing it? Installing a standby generator isn't a DIY project. A licensed installer or certified electrician is essential to ensure the job's done right. Professional installation also ensures your system passes inspections and operates reliably from day one. When the power goes out, your generator isn't just keeping the lights on, it's protecting your comfort and safety. By asking these 3 key questions up front, you'll avoid surprises, ensure safe operation, and enjoy peace of mind when your family needs it most. We thought you'd like to know.